arrived.
Witnesses?
Plenty. Not a lot of clarity.
I've never had a trivia night and any bloodshed before. I understand Ziggy's father's not involved in his upbringing.
For all we know, he's out there right now assaulting women.
Adeline has figured out that some of the pieces of her Velcro food sticks to her diaper. So now she's trying to make everything stick to her diaper.
Abigail is auctioning off her virginity in order to protest sex slavery.
This is wrong, Abigail. It's too nice to be so right. I'm not right. I've made mistakes bigger than this. Last year I cheated on you.
Are you the woman Joseph is in love with?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know he had an affair a year ago. Was it you?
When do you leave him, Celeste? When he hurts you
I'll
badly?
leave you with Jaden for one night. You learn all these
All
things.
ready, so you'll have a place should you need it, which we both know you will.